Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through on the process on how to install and set up your app, Location Creator Action Automation for Workflow. Once in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, click on it. Then click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this and you refresh your tab. Once you're done refreshing your tab, head over to the custom page, click on it, and the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through on how to set up your app. Click on the Start Setup and insert a professional email and you're good to go. Once you're done with that, click on Complete Setup and your app will be configured successfully. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call with our support team. We have the changelog feature where you'll be able to see and track all the necessary updates and improvements concerning this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you're good to go. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.